What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share how to get $100 coupon bundle if you are new or existing user. So what you need to do is simply click the link in the description, then you will redirect it into this type of customized link. After that you are eligible to use promo code which I am going to share you right now. What you need to do, simply select what you want to buy after clicking on the link in the description, then select this code, okay, this code to get 90% discount. As you can read from here, this is for new or existing user both, and if this method is not working, use this method number 2 and this will definitely work for you. So what you need to do is left your current Temu account and create new Temu account in other devices using link in the description and new email ID in other devices where you not use Temu before. So make sure you use new devices you and create new Temu account using link in the description and new email ID. After that you are eligible to use promo code, then select what you want to buy, then add this code again on the checkout page to get 90% discount. If method number 1 is not working, method number 2 will definitely work for you. Go try this and you will get amazing discount on Temu, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.